Hello, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I have Googled out what we are going to see in this tutorial demo: how to clear Google Play Store cache or Google Play Store data from your Android application. And this is an example, and you can use the steps here to clear the cache or data of any other application in your Android phone. Let's get started. First, find the settings application and click on that. And next, we click on the apps icon here. And next, we have app management. I click on this. And next, I scroll down to find this Google Play Store. I click on that. And here we click on storage usage. Voila, you can see here the first red line here says clear data. But if you don't want to get rid of the content of your Google Play Store application, don't click on the clear data because it will wipe out everything from your application. If you want to just get rid of the cache, you can click on this clear cache. If you want to get here in a more simpler and easy way, the application on your screen or user interface, and long press on the application icon. In the bottom left here, we have this info icon. You click on that, and then we have here storage usage again, and we are in the same place. So you can do the same thing with any other application. For example, Duolingo here, and I click on this info icon again, and storage usage, and voila, is as simple as this. If you like this kind of tutorial, don't forget to give a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.